This is the paint, y'all. I got a few spots I need to touch up. Some big, some not so big. But I think I'm gonna love this color, especially when that white get all touched up and everything in here. See, I gotta touch that up right there. But it's wet on this side. I just finished this. It's wet all right there. Few spots, but I think I did pretty good. Alright, y'all, so this is the halfway, it's the finished look of the paint, not of the decorations and everything. But this is my paint job that I did, y'all. I'm so proud of it. It looks so nice in here. I love it. Makes my home feel a little bit more modern. I'm gonna put up different curtains. That's why I say I'm not done in here, but I'm gonna put up different curtains. And I'm waiting on my new washing machine. And I'm gonna put up a blind over here, 2 more blinds, brand new blinds in here. I'm thinking about going with a different style of blinds. But yeah, y'all, I am loving this paint. Like, I did a pretty good job. I'm proud of myself. So yeah, can't ask for anything more. And this is the color up close. Hopefully y'all can see that, but I love it. All right, y'all, so we're moving on to the bathroom and the hallway. All right, y'all, so this is the paint in the hallway. I done took some stuff down already. We're finna get her to paint it. Okay, but yeah, ugly color. But the bathroom, I done started taking down some stuff, and so I know it's dark, but I'm gonna do the bathroom. Get rid of this ugly paint. I'm so excited. I'm ready to see what it's gonna look like. All right, y'all, so I'll be back when we finish. Y'all, so this is what the living room look like. I done took the stuff down off the walls and everything, but this is the living room before it gets painted and everything and all that good stuff. I started and I almost forgot, but this is the dining room. We got over there yet, but this is the living room. It's gonna get dark because I'm going towards the light. Okay. All right, this is the finished look of the kitchen. I didn't show y'all what it looked like before. I got this back there from the kitchen. Okay, so this is how it turned out. And it's a mess, but y'all gonna see when I'm finished. Oh, the glisten. And now all this mess gonna get cleaned up. This is what it looked like after painting. It's still wet and we haven't cut anything yet. I'm in the room. In the room. Haven't painted the trim. I mean, no, I'm talking about haven't cut. I'm talking about, I meant to say haven't painted the trim yet or any of that good stuff. All the way over there and then this way. Tied. Painted the closets dark as well so that can't see any scuffs or anything like that. Okay, so I will see you guys when everything is put back in the room. Alright, y'all, so this is the room after it has been done. I ain't put no decorations up. We got a couple of spots where we need to fill in where the white paint fell down, but other than that, this is it. I done moved in, pushed the stuff back to the wall. Now it's time to decorate. Got the clothes in here in the closet already. And in this closet, I don't put the clothes in there right there. So now I will be back so y'all can see the finished look to my palace, my husband and I. All right, y'all, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is what we're going through Grandma's room, and we finna do her room and everything. Y'all get a look at what it was like. It was just a room. Grandma, you gonna tell the family hey? So we're going through her stuff on the bed. This bed gonna come up out of here. We're gonna get another bed. TV gonna be in another spot. This room finna be totally different, y'all. Totally different, okay? So yeah, I already started moving some stuff out of here. So that's why it looks how it looks. I already started moving some stuff out, which is all in the kitchen. All that right there. And then, so yeah, when I come back, y'all gonna see it painted and probably, probably just paint it. And then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like decorated. Okay, what you say? Go and tell them.
Are y'all coming to help?
Grandma, I don't think they coming to help, but if they could, they probably would come and help you.
They stay down here and don't you need? They don't really know where.
They ain't gonna help Grandma. Grandma say y'all ain't gonna help. Grandma.
Huh?
I thought you was talking to him.
I said they ain't gonna help no way.
Why you say that?
Cause I was just teasing, but about helping, but I wasn't teasing about my tape.
What tape?
I told him, when you said, you know, my grandma liked spirits and blues too.
Uh-huh.
And I told him, I said, yeah, send me, what? Send me a blues and a spirits. I ain't want to get two from them.
Uh-huh. But you got the spirits.
I don't know, but I ain't got nothing from there.
Yes, you did. That did come from them. The CD that you just got, that came from them.
I thought that come from the old lady.
Yeah, she be on there. That's how she.
I know it.
Oh.
But they ain't someone, but the one that y'all was like they love me and love me, but they ain't singing that.
Grandma, what you want them to sing you?
I told them. Just anything, a tape where I can hear my music.
Mm-hmm. So y'all hear Grandma. I told y'all, Grandma don't forget nothing. And she been talking about this I don't know how many times. Grandma say now that she want her some blues. I don't know what kind of blues she want, but she want her some blues. What kind of blues you want, Grandma?
I want that tape for the Always Dance Off of what's the name?
Oh, you want Tucker?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I want that one. Yeah.
Oh, Ronnie Bell, Cotton Candy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want that, and I want the one what
That's the one you dance off of, Ronnie Bell.
Yeah. And the other one played before Ronnie Bell song.
Tucker, that's Tucker.
Uh-huh. I want them two. That'll be it.
And you'll be satisfied.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can hear some.
All right. All right, y'all. So this is what it looks like. All painted. It's getting like dark outside. And this is it. It's still wet. It's drying though. The trim and all that good stuff. I gotta paint those two doors. The outside of this one The inside and outside of this one. Got a little mistake right there. We'll go back and put a little paint on there. And this is our paint job, y'all. So you'll see it when it all get decorated.